Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to learn about the function of a function. Means you have to calculate, you have to find function of another function. Okay. Suppose here two function is given, fx is equal to something, okay, and gx is equal to something. Then you have to calculate fog or gof. So this is called the function of function. So here we have to calculate function f of function g of function f. Okay, so this is the meaning of function of a function. So we will learn this function of function by taking two example. So by two example you will understand how you will calculate the function of a function. Okay, so see here, first question is given that what question is saying f such that 1 comma 3 comma 4 is there, tends to 1 comma 2 comma 5, and g function is there, 1 comma 2 comma 5 is there, tends to 1 comma 3 is there. B given by, now it is given by f is equal to order pair of 1 comma 2 3 comma 5 4 comma 1, and g is 1 comma 3 2 comma 3 5 comma 1. Okay, you have to write down gof. You have to write down gof means function g of function f. Okay, function g of function f. So how you will write down? So see here, so first of all write down what is given here. So we have f is equal to 1 comma 2 3 comma 5 4 comma 1. Okay, and g is equal to 1 comma 3 2 comma 3 5 comma 1. Okay, so it is given that now you have to calculate, write down gof. Gof means you have to write function g of function f. Means how you will write this? So gof means function g of function fx. See, okay. Now see here. So you have to write function g of function fx. Now here in the place of x, you will put the domain of function f. So see here function domain is 1. Okay, so add the value of 1, you will get 2. Okay, so see here, so gf1 gf1 means you have to calculate g2. Okay, now see, at f1 you are getting 2 here. See here, now you have to find function g of 2 means add to what you are getting in function g. So add to you are getting 3. See here. Okay. Why it is written? Because f1 is given what? F1 is given what? 2. Okay. And g2 is given what? 3. See here. Okay. So in this way you will find gof. Okay. Now you will move to the other element. Now see again. So you have calculated for 1. Now you will calculate for the 3. So GF3. So GF3 means you have to calculate G. So see, add 3 what you are getting? 5. You are getting 5. So write down here 5. At F3 you are getting 5. Okay. So add G5 means add 5 what you are getting in G function. Okay. So add 5 you are getting 1. See here. So you will write this. Now move to the next one. G of f. What is the next one? 4 1 is there. So write down 4. So function of 4 is what? 1. What is coming? 1. So here you will write down g. Now at 1 what you are getting in g function? See, at 1 you are getting 3. So here will be 3. See, in this way you will find the gof means function g of function f. Okay. So similarly you can find fog also. Similarly, you can find fog also means function f of function g. So how you will write this? Function of function g. Now you have to write the domain of g function c1. So at 1 what you are getting? At 1 3 you are getting. So you will write now add 3 what you are getting in function f. So add 3 you are getting 5. See. Okay. Now see the next one. F, G, next is 3. So add 3 what you are getting in G function. Add 3 nothing is given you are getting. See. Nothing is there. So 5 element will be there. Okay. Now F, G, next is what? What we have find C, G1. So what we have written 3 here we have written, sorry, here you will not write down 3, here you will write down 2. Okay. So add 2 what you are getting in G2. So 3 you are getting, means F3 you have to calculate. Now F3 is 5C. Okay. F3 is 5. Okay. So see G1 add 3 you are getting. So add 3, 5 is there. Now see 2. So add 2, 3 you are getting. So add 3 in function f you are getting 5. Now next one is 5. So add 5 what you are getting? What you are getting? So add 1 you what you are getting? 2 you are getting. Just write down here. See. Okay. So in this way you will write down fog and golf mean function of a function. Okay. So I hope you have understood this one. Now next to the move to the next one. What is here? If fx is equal to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 is given. Okay, so this function is given. Here is x is not equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, so x is not equal to 2 upon 3 means if you will put at in place of x 2 upon 3, you will get 0. So whenever algebraic expression is written in the form of p upon q, so there should not q 0. Okay, so for q not 0, here x should not equal to 2 upon 3. So show that for x means you have to write down for what will come for. Okay, so when you will find for, so for should come x only. For all x is not equal to 2 upon 3. What is inverse of f? After that you have to write down the inverse of f. Okay, so first of all we will see how you will write down for. Okay, so first write down what we have. We have fx is equal to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Okay, write down. Now you have to prove that fof will be x. Okay, you have to write down fof will be x to prove. Okay, write down to prove fof is equal to fof of x is equal to x. Now see for proving take the LHS part. LHS part is fof. Now how fof you will write? Function of function fx. Okay, so see function of function fx what is there? So function of fx is what? This is the value of fx. So in place of this you will write 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Okay, write down this means in the place of x you will put this value. So now what you will write? 4 into 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 upon 6 into 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Okay, and what is there? Minus 4 is there. Here plus 3 is there. Okay, this you will write. Now after this what will come? 4 get multiplied in this. So 4 just 16 will come. 4 3 just 12 will come. And this will get multiplied here. 3 into 6x minus 4 upon 6x minus 4 is there. Again upon 6 get multiplied here. 6 4 just 24x. 6 3 just 18. This will go that side multiply. Minus 4 into 6x minus 4. Now see 16 upon 6x minus 4 is there. Now after this say 16x plus 12 plus 3 get multiplied. 3 6 is 18 will come. 3 4 is minus 12 will come upon 6x minus 4 will come. Now here you will take the reciprocal of this. So what will come here? 6x minus 4 will come upon now 24x plus 18. Now 4 get multiplied, minus 24x will come, minus minus plus 16 will come. Okay, now see, so this will get cancelled out by this one. Minus 12 cancel out. 24x get cancel out. Okay, now what will come? 16 plus 18, 34 will come. 34x will come into 1 upon, what will come here? 18 plus 16, 34 will come. 34 get cancel out. What will come? X will come. See, X is coming. So write down RHS is equal to RHS and prove. See here. So in this way you will prove this. If of X will be X. Okay. Of X will be X. So in this way you will calculate of of X. In place of X you will put the this value, and when you will simplify you will get X. It means of X is coming X. So we have proved this. Now you have to you have to find inverse of X. So for inverse of X, let us see here. Okay, let us see here. Let us see here what will come. So you have to find inverse of F. Inverse of F. So inverse of F means you have to put fx is equal to y 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Means you have to write inverse of F means you have to write x in term of another variable. In term of another variable. So for that purpose you will take given function as another variable. Such suppose that you are taking y, you can take z also, you can take any variable, a also, b also, anything. Okay, so here what will come? This will get cross multiply, 6x minus 4 will come, and here 4x plus 3 will come. Okay, now y gets multiply, 6xy will come, minus 4y will come, 4x plus 3 will come. Okay, now see. So see, here x term is there, here x term. So take x term this side and this term that side. So what will come? So 6xy minus 4x is equal to 3 plus 4y. Okay. Now see here in this x is common. So take x common. So 6y minus 4 will come. 3 plus 4y. Now x will be what will come? X will be 3 plus 4y upon 6x minus 4 is coming. See here. Sorry, 6y is there. 6y minus 4 is coming. So see here. So in this way you will write. You can write this as also 4y plus 3 upon 6y minus 4. Okay, see here. In this way also you can write. So see, so this is inverse of f. This is inverse of f, and inverse of f is written as f to the power minus 1. Okay, see. So how you will calculate the inverse of f? You will take first given function as another variable. Okay. After that you will simplify it and write x in term of another variable. So that will be the inverse function, is inverse of a given function. Okay. So I hope you have understood both question. Okay. So in this way you will calculate the function of a function, inverse function also. Okay. So I hope you have understood. So if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it. Okay, and wait for the next video. In next video we will something learn, we will learn more about this function of a function and inverse function. Okay, so till now thank you and wait for the next video.